Hello everyone, today I'll take you through the TechDog catalog. TechDog catalog helps to find the right aftermarket spare part for a vehicle. There are many ways to find a spare part for a vehicle. The first option is by adding a number. To adding a number, we use the stop toolbar. The stop toolbar lets you search by using any number. These number can be searched by an article number, searched by a comparable number, searched by a trade number, searched by an OEM number, searched by GTIN number. Moreover, you can do search by using the VIN or vehicle identification number or chassis number as known in India. You can also use TechDoc K type number. You can type in the TechDoc N type number in the top toolbar to give you the results. Coming down from the top toolbar, we have the vehicle selection tab. In the vehicle selection tab, we have many various categories. To be precise, we have got 4 categories. First category is PC, stand for passenger car. Second category, CV stands for commercial vehicle. Third category, LCV stands for light commercial vehicle. And the fourth category is motorcycle. We have to, when selecting a vehicle, uh, we have to be into the right category. If choosing for a truck part, I have to first press the CV tab, then only I'll be able to search the part for trucks. Coming on to the passenger car segment, now we have the option of doing a search by adding up or giving the input from the make, model, and type information available in the drop-down menus. Today, I'll take up an example from Maruti Suzuki's table. Maruti Suzuki. I type in Maruti Suzuki and the complete vehicle table of Maruti Suzuki has come in front of me. These are the model which have come from the Maruti Suzuki's table. I'll pick Baleno today. After choosing the vehicle, TechDoc catalog will ask me for the type. I have to choose the correct engine type for it. I choose petrol today. After entering the complete detail of the vehicle, the dashboard has come up in front of me. In the dashboard on my left, we have the technical information related to the vehicle with the image of the vehicle. On the right, we have the various assembly groups like accessories, axle mount, body, engine, filters. A customer has to choose the category based on his requirement. For example, today I'll go with the air filter category. So this car has got 3 air filter options coming from Hella, Elofic, and Purolator. I'll pick up one. In the article description page, we have all the related information about this article. It is coming from brand Elofic, image of the part, article number, product group, status, general information, pack size, then the dimension of the filters, the MRP, 374 rupees. On the right, we have the linkage. This filter is applicable to Palladium RS, also with Ignis and Swift. We have the OE number and the manufacturer address as well. Coming back to the home page. The other way to pick up the part is by choosing the brand selection. Is by brand selection. So in the brand selection tab, there are 900 brands. Either you can type in the brand name or you can search from the drop down menu. Pick up the same brand. So in the category of product group, this particular brand Elofic has uploaded 173 air filter, 11 cabin filters, 64 fuel filter, and 132 oil filters. I'll pick up the same category. And we have reached the same page. This is the second way. The third way of selecting a part for your vehicle is by adding the 17-digit VIN number into the VIN search tab. We have VIN search tab. As you can see, I have added a 17-digit VIN number. Press enter. As you can see, the TechDog catalog has decoded a vehicle for me. It's a Toyota Innova Crista. On the left, we have the technical data for this vehicle. On the right, we have all the assembly groups. Pick up one shock absorber coming from the brand Gabriel. The detail, general information, criteria, vehicle linkage, and the manufacturer models.